2024. And I'm in the ECOS booth with Kelly Vlahakis, CEO and President of ECOS, as well as Jenna Arkin, who's the Chief Innovation Officer. Welcome to Soapbox, ladies.
Oh, thank you for having us here today. We're super excited to be here with you.
I'm excited too. We were talking a little bit before the show, and
Yes.
Kelly was filling me in on ECOS, and I would love you to share the story behind ECOS.
Absolutely. Well, we have been family found 57 years ago. So we've been making green cleaning products for many decades, and we're super committed to creating cleaning products that protect human and planetary health. Cleaning is a critical component to your wellness journey. I personally have been here at Expo for more than 25 years.
Amazing.
And it's super exciting to see the growth over those years. We're a primary manufacturer. We make everything ourselves. We do that in our 4 geographically diverse U.S. manufacturing facilities. All of our facilities are carbon neutral, they're water neutral, they're platinum zero waste.
Amazing.
And in 2021, we became climate positive as well. So it's the greenest
Incredible.
chemistry and the most sustainable manufacturing.
That's it. Congratulations.
Thank
first of
you.
all. Like, that's absolutely incredible. What an
Thank you.
accomplishment. Amazing.
Thank you.
I want to talk about your certifications.
Yes.
What are your certifications that you have for the company, for the products?
Absolutely. Well, for the company, we're a woman-owned company, and that's really important to us. We're also certified in MSDC because we're a minority-owned company. On the chemistry side, we have the US EPA Safer Choice certification. It's really important to us at ECOS that when consumers are shopping in stores, they can clearly see that a third party has verified that, one, we're only using the greenest ingredients in the creation of our products. 2, we're innovating all the time in terms of breaking barriers in green science. And number 3, our products are efficacious because it's truly
And that's
important.
the key. That
It is.
They actually work.
Yes.
Right? So.
And to be a truly sustainable product, you must work.
Yeah.
And so people can be assured when they buy our products that all 3 of those factors have been checked.
I love it. So you talked about innovation. Jenna, I'm going to bring it over to you now.
Yes.
As a Chief Innovation Officer, tell us about some of the innovations that you have that you're showing here at the show.
Yeah, so all of our innovation portfolio is really focused on carbon reduction. So when we think about carbon reduction, it's just not how you make the products, but also every single material consideration. So water compaction, using less water. When you take water out of the product, it enables you to reduce plastic either entirely or use less plastic. Also, just efficiency, more loads on every single truck. So we actually yesterday won the Nexty Award. We're really excited. It's for our ultra concentrated laundry detergent. So
Amazing.
it's 5 times more concentrated than our already very concentrated original formula.
Amazing.
It is in a
This one?
beautiful aluminum package. It's our first foray
So-
into aluminum, which is infinitely recyclable. It's just 2 pumps per load. So we're really
Amazing.
excited to bring this to market this month.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Ladies, thank you so much for doing this. I
Yeah.
really appreciate it. Congratulations on all fronts.
Thank you.
It's amazing. I love the women-owned thing. For me,
Thank you
that's-
so much.
For me, that's a huge thing, the women-owned thing. So I think that's incredible. And then all the awards, which is amazing. So
Thank you.
Thank you for doing this.
Thank you for
Thank you
having
so
us. We
much.
appreciate it.
Thank you. And thanks to all of you for watching our Soapbox series here at Expo West 2024. Be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.